imagine an icon for a new generation, it cannot just return. It must return stronger, smoother, and sharper. More alive than ever before. It must set new benchmarks, rewrite expectations. Because when something carries the name Sierra, it has to live up to the legend. Meet the future of performance. The 1.5 four-cylinder TGDI Hyperion.
Our vision was not to build just another engine. It was to redefine what performance could mean for a new generation. An engine that is best in performance, unmatched in its NVH characteristics, and linear power delivery without compromise in fuel efficiency. At its core, this engine stands on three pillars of excellence: hyper performance for power, hyper tech for intelligence, and hyper quiet for the NVH refinement. The Hyperion 1.5 is tested over 15 lakh kilometers across diverse terrains worldwide. Today, we are putting it to test at the challenging proving grounds of car loops.
Turbocharged torque that doesn't just move you forward, it carries you higher. Bend after bend, climb after climb. Where others gasp for air, this turbocharged engine just keeps breathing. Confidence you can feel. The confidence to conquer every incline, to keep going where the road ends. And the challenge begins. The 1.5 four-cylinder TGDI Hyperion, built to perform anywhere the Sierra dares to go. Tata Sierra, powered by the 1.5 four-cylinder TGDI Hyperion.
Now, when the legend returns, safety has to be legendary. For years, safety was measured in one way: a car against a wall, a car against a stationary object. But now, to make safety truly legendary, we had to test the Sierra against something just as legendary.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's how we changed the game on safety again. One crash, one legend, one truth. Most crash fatalities occur between moving vehicles. So we designed this test as a true car-to-car impact to mirror real-world conditions. When impact meets its match, what remains is pure engineering truth. When two legends collide, you don't witness destruction. It's simply an orchestra of precision. This is how safety evolves, how legends lead, and how millions of journeys stay protected every single day. Because what starts in this lab changes what happens on every road outside it. That's how a legend raises the bar, not by following norms, but by redefining them.